Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this wonderful 68 registered Jaguar XE R Sport. Now this is the 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine and it's a wonderful car. A one owner vehicle with the new style satellite navigation in that they brought out in 2018. So this is an updated model in beautiful order. Now it's a one owner car, finished in Narvik black paintwork and sat on the 18-inch star spoke alloy wheels. Got a set of mud flaps on as well. The paintwork around the car is in wonderful condition. A very nice car, just having done over 24,000 miles. So not a lot of mileage on this since 2018. But just take a look at it. Absolutely brilliant. It's even still got the Jaguar leather care instructions on the seat. The car that sells, the paintwork's in fantastic order all the way round. High gloss finish, machine polished, wonderful looking vehicle. Now the 2 litre turbo cars, they come with the twin exhaust tailpipes on the rear, and we've got front and rear parking sensors and also a reversing camera. It's got a Jaguar boot liner in as well. Gives you an idea of the type of person who owned the car, didn't want a messy boot, so he's also bought the Jaguar boot liner just to keep the boot nice and clean. And take a look at that, absolutely impeccable condition. Boot corners, bumper corners, tailpipes are all in super order. I do like the mud flaps on those. It gives it that really nice additional appeal. Stops all the muck flying up the side, so very clean type of owner. The driver's side mirrors that of the passenger, free from trolley dent and really any mark that we could speak about. This is a wonderful car, beautiful throughout. Now when I open the door, obviously this car has the full black leather interior, contrast white stitch. The stitch runs down the door cards as well. We've got 4 electric windows. As we step into the car, we've got the aluminium sill plates, electric reclining seat there. And then look at that, 24,416 miles as a starter up. No warning lights or anything on the dashboard. A lovely vehicle. Now, I mentioned the service, the satellite navigation, sorry. This is the later sat-nav system. If you look on our website, we've got quite a number of these. We've got 3 or 4 of them in at the moment. With some have got the early nav, but on a 68 reg, they gave it the new style navigation system, so that it becomes more of a rectangle rather than a square. Navigation is touchscreen, so you've got, press it again and it'll go to full. If you always go to the home menu and it'll jump back in. Beat radio, DAB, Bluetooth phone, jump back, and then if I slide it along, we've then got the various things you can have on it all there. Reversing camera, parking sensors, front and rear. So when you come to reverse, that one, then I'll switch it on again. That one comes alive when you're in drive, and then you've got reversing camera there. Heated seats, so we can switch them on either side. On the old system, you'd have a seat and then you pressed it. But on the new system, this is how it appeals. You get the high gloss black centre console, and that runs then down around the gear shifter and all the way, and that is in beautiful condition as well. You get a 12 volt and a USB in there. But when I look around the car, just have a look at that contrast white stitch across the dash. The dash is all a wrap round dashboard as well. We've got auto wipers, we've got auto headlamps, paddle shift on the steering. I don't smoke, and I can tell the last owner was not a smoker on the car either. It still has that very clean new smell in here. Glove box drops down, we've got all the gear in there as well. Beautiful car. One owner, 24,000 miles. Lane change warning as well, helps you assist in changing a lane. If you come out of it, it just vibrates the steering. But look at that. Have a look in the rear and you'll be even more impressed. I'm not saying nobody sat in this, but very infrequently, because it's in absolutely, the leather's uncreased, you know, when you can tell that there's a lot of traffic been through there. You can tell that there's not a lot of traffic been through there. So, all in all, what a wonderful car. 68 reg, 24 and a bit thousand miles. Mud flaps, 18-inch wheels. later style satellite navigation, one owner car from new. Yes, only one owner from new. 2 keys in my pocket. Petrol, no issues with DPFs or anything like that, but a silky smooth, beautiful, beautiful car. If you've got a part exchange, give us a call. We'll take that in part exchange. If you need finance, give us a call. We'll give you a quote. I'm Graham. We've got Dominic and we've got Lee on sales. We will be happy to help you in any way we can here at Alpha Motors. We've been in business now more than 40 years. Again, year on year, we've won the highly rated award for customer service at Auto Trader and Car Gurus. So, in full confidence, you can buy this car from this video. Give us a call if you'd like to discuss anything further. We'll be happy to help you in any way we can. But as for now, thanks for watching the video and I look forward to your inquiry.